Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only, specifically to demonstrate the computation of excise taxes on tobacco products. I do not endorse, promote, or encourage the use of tobacco in any form. Tobacco products are addictive and hazardous to health and may lead to serious financial and medical conditions. If you are or know someone who is struggling with tobacco addiction, please seek help from a qualified healthcare professional. In this video, we will discuss excise taxes imposed on heated tobacco products. So let's define first what is or what are heated tobacco products. So unlike yung conventional na over-the-counter na nabibili na sigarilyo, okay, for example yung mga Marlboro, Hope, mga Mighty, ganyan. So iba to yung heated tobacco products. Iba rin ito sa vape, okay? So sige, let's define what are heated tobacco products. So often referred to as heat not burn products, heat processed tobacco leaf to generate an aerosol that users inhale. Okay, so unlike yung traditional na tobacco products na sinisindi, ito naman pinapainit lang. And usually may devices na ginagamit para mapainit yung tobacco stick. At usually, merong mga sticks na specially designed for these devices. So ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Okay, may device, may stick, tapos nilalanghap ng user. Okay, so sige, let's compute for the following. Excise tax due at saka inspection fee. So sige, let's start. In 2025, JKL Corporation manufactured 3,000 boxes of their tobacco sticks designed for a heat-not-burn device. Each box contains 50 reams, and each ream contains 10 packs of tobacco sticks. And each pack contains 20 sticks. So, sige, compute natin yung excise tax due. First, hanapin natin yung excise tax rate sa table na provided ng BIR website. Okay, meron dito, heated tobacco products. And it is a specific tax na imumultiply mo per pack. Okay, so sige. Ang tax rate na provide dito ay, ang pinaka-latest ay ito, 34.13 pesos per pack. Now, check natin. Ang year ay 2024. Ang year dito ay 2025. So, ibig sabihin, tapos nakasabi pa dito na, it shall be increased by 5% every year. Now, magkano yung rate na ngayon? Okay, so whatever that is, okay, so that's 34 pesos and 13 centavos times 1.05. 34.13 times 105%. Next, again, this is on a per pack basis. Hindi siya on a per stick basis. Now, check natin. Ilan ba ang ginawa or na-produce ng JKL Corporation? So, we have 3,000 boxes. Tapos, each box contains 50 reams times 50 reams times 10 packs. Okay, sa isang ream, may 10 packs. Now, ang question dito, imumultiply pa ba natin sa 20 sticks? Siyempre, hindi. Okay. Bakit? Kasi ang tax base natin ay imumultiply natin sa pakete, hindi sa stick. Okay? So, sige, let's compute. Okay, so that's 34.13 times 105% times 3,000 boxes times 50 reams times 10 packs. So, ang excise tax due ay 53 million 754,750. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Now, let's compute for the inspection fee. So, sige. Ano nga ba tong inspection fee? Iba pa to sa excise tax due. Okay? So, dito sa BIR website, i-search lang natin, no? So, heated tobacco products. Ayan. So, meron dito sa inspection fee under, okay, under sa inspection fee, meron dito heated tobacco products na 10 centavos per 1,000 sticks. Okay? So, sige, compute na natin. Again, this is 10 centavos, guys. This is not 10%. But anyways, if you multiply it, same lang naman ang magiging result. Okay. So, compute natin. Let's ask, ano nga ba yung basis ng inspection fee? By the way, guys, yung inspection fee, applicable lang siya for products na related sa tobacco. Okay? So, walang inspection fee sa ibang mga products such as yung fermented liquors or petroleum. Wala. Dito lang merong inspection fee. Double check nga natin. So, yun. Wala. Wala pong inspection fee. Okay? Ang basis ng heated tobacco products ay per 1,000 sticks. At for every 1,000 sticks, 10 centavos ang tax or ang inspection fee. So, sige, compute natin. Let's ask, ilang sticks ang na-produce ni JKL Corporation? So, sige, let's start. Okay, so, they produced 3,000 boxes. Okay. Then, each boxes contains 50 rims. Tapos, each rims contains, kasi each one, 10 packs. And each pack contains 20 sticks. Okay, so kung ano man yung magiging results niyan, yan yung number of sticks available. Kaso, ang basis natin ng tax natin is per 1,000 sticks. Okay. Tapos, imumultiply natin ng yung rate which is 10 centavos. So, 0.10. Okay. So, sige, compute natin. That's 3,000 boxes times 50 rims times 10 packs times 20 sticks divided by 1,000 sticks times 10 centavos. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, ang inspection fee natin ay 3,000 pesos. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya kasimple, guys. Okay? Ayun. So, now you try. We will answer this problem in another video.